Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's go. So as you can tell from the title of the video, I'm doing a review slash tutorial of some Shea Moisture products, basically just how I wash and condition and style my hair. So I begin by dividing my hair into 4 sections. I just find that this makes it so much easier, and my hair hasn't been detangled in a while, so it just makes it easier if I divide it up into sections. So at this point I'm only using water and a big brush just to get out most of the tangles and to soak my hair so that it can absorb the shampoo much better. And I do kind of detangle throughout the whole process, as you will see, and that's just to make sure my hair isn't getting knotted up and tangled throughout the process. So the first product I'm using is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo, and this has shea butter, peppermint and apple cider vinegar. I felt like this product really cleansed my hair and my scalp, and it didn't fully strip it. So it left some moisture, but not to the point where my hair felt like it was coated or dirty or anything. So it did really clean it, but not, you know, sometimes you use shampoo and it just feels like it's taken all the life out of your hair and your hair feels like straw. So it definitely doesn't do that. And one other thing I can say is that a little goes a long way. So as you can see, my hair started to sud up really easily, which normally doesn't happen with the first shampoo, especially if your hair's really dirty like mine is. I make sure that I really scratch the scalp and really go into my hairline where I put a lot of gel or edge control just to make sure it's really clean down to the roots, down to the scalp. And I do brush it through as well just to make sure that's all tangle free. And I'm just admiring my curls, like it really did get down to my hair and get my curls popping, which I like.
Is it gonna stay like that?
So this is the point when the YouTube struggle is real. The tripod was slipping, my camera was about to drop, so I had to call my boyfriend to come and help me. So luckily he was on board, so that was cool. This is all the stuff you guys don't see. So once I've washed out all the shampoo, I go in with the Manuka honey and Mafura oil. I think I've pronounced that right. So Mafura oil intensive hydration conditioner. So this product definitely gave me intense moisture without having to use too much product. So I didn't really go ham on it, but it got the job done. It got my hair feeling really soft, and it smells really good as well. It was easy for me to comb through it and to just get every strand coated with the product, just to make sure it was all fully moisturized. And then, just to give a little something extra, I applied the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. I don't think I've ever used a mask on my hair, so I wasn't sure what I was expecting. It is the same line as the shampoo I use, and it was thick and creamy. This was a sample product, but it was more than enough. I didn't necessarily want to buy the full size product, and then it turns out that I don't really like it. And these products are on the pricier side, being like $9.99, $11.99, $12.99 per product. So I think the sample was only about £3 from Boots, and I really liked it. It got through my hair fine. It was enough for my hair, and I just covered it and left it on for about 30 minutes, 40 minutes or so. Once I washed out the mask, I used the Strengthen and Restore Styling Lotion. Off the back, I wasn't a big fan of the smell. I prefer fruitier, sweet smells, and this had more of a herbal smell, and it wasn't unpleasant at all, but it just wasn't necessarily to my liking. It's not super moisturizing, but it did define and soften my curls. I did apply it to damp hair as well, which I think helped, but I wouldn't say it really done my hair, made my hair feel really soft or fully moisturized. Fortunately as well, when I took the braids out the next day, my hair was dry, my hair was crunchy, it had white residue. So maybe I would try it again, but maybe I would apply an oil on top of it to help to seed in the moisture. But it's definitely not something I'm sold on and something that I'll be in a hurry to purchase again. I might just try different ways to use it rather than purchasing it again. So because of that, and because I didn't really want my hair to feel like that, I did follow up with a Cantu product, a Cantu styling curling cream. I will link all the products in the description. So I just done this to attempt to put some moisture back into my hair and to define my curls a bit. This really made my hair soft, it made my curls pop. I wish it came in a tub though, because it did make it a bit difficult when my hands were slippery to keep using the product. So that's the only downside. I'll say I wish it came in a tub just to make it easier to use. Just done a really quick hairstyle, something you can literally do in 5 minutes on short hair, just to kind of keep my hair in a little style for the day or the next 2 days or something before I actually braid it up. So thank you for watching. Be sure to tap the notification bell so you can be the first in line to check out my new videos, and I will see you in the next one.